We're on chapter 2. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. I'm the boss now. And Dogman days are... Hey, where is Dogman? He was just here 2 pages ago. Then, Stinkorama. Every dog has his spray. You know the saying is every dog has his day. I don't know what Dogman is up to, but I'm gonna find out. Mwah! Mwah! Ruff, ruff. Feel free to pause whenever you need to so you can see the pages. Bam! Splat! You got skunk juice all over me. How could this get any worse? Dogman! You'll pay for this. Meanwhile, hey! The wedding's over, so get lost. How rude. I'll just lock these doors in. Sniff, sniff. What's that horrible smell? Suddenly, vroom! Pow! Clunk! Hey! Get out of my newly rebuilt city hall. Caution tripping hazard. But then, clunk, 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 clunker. Crack, crumble, brumble, kershmasher, basher. Crackle, 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 smush! Look what you made me do. It wasn't my fault. Was too, was not. Hey, let's blame Dogman. Yeah. It's our word against his. Uh-oh. Dogman's in trouble again. 80, the number 80. HD. Don't fail me now. Swoosh. Quick, take Dogman home. Swoosh. Yoink. And so, you can run, Dogman, but you can't hide. Chapter 3, the tomato juice solution. We read a chapter today. We read chapter 2. So tomorrow we'll be starting chapter 3. Tomorrow we'll be starting chapter 3. Starting. I'm not sure if we'll finish it, but we'll start chapter 3 tomorrow. Dogman.